Hi, these instructions are going to show you how to download your Zoom recordings and then move them into Google Drive while doing all of this on your iPad. So first, you'll want to open your Safari browser and go to the Zoom website. And while you're in Zoom, you're going to sign in with your Iolani Google account. And you get to the sign in page, you can use the sign in with Google option at the bottom. Once you're signed in, on the left side of your Zoom screen, you're going to go to the Recordings tab. And in the Recordings tab, you'll see a list of all of your previous Zoom meetings that you set up to record. And they'll be in a list here on the right side. You see I have only one right now. I recorded a tech class Zoom meeting. And when you find the Zoom meeting that you want to download the videos for, you're going to go to the right side of that meeting and you're going to tap on that blue link that, that says number of files. So you see mine says 5 files, 146 megabytes. You want to tap on that blue link. That's going to take you to all of the downloadable files for that particular Zoom meeting. Zoom meetings record video. They also provide the audio only to download, and if you use the chat feature, you can download a chat file that has all of the text from that chat. Depending on the length of your video, of your Zoom recording, you might also have multiple recordings. You see in my example here, I have one recording that's 26 minutes long, and then a second recording that's 35 seconds long. And that's just the way that Zoom handles the recordings for whatever reason. If you want the video of your Zoom meeting, what you'll want to do is tap on the first option called Shared Screen with Speaker View. That's the video recording of your Zoom meeting. Okay, and when you tap on it, it's going to highlight it in gray, and there are 3 little icons in that gray bar. There's the trash can, the link button, and then there's a download button. And you'll want to tap that download button, and Safari will ask you if you want to download that video file. You want to tap download, and what happens is up at the top corner of your screen, there's a little circle with an arrow up here that shows you your downloads. And right now that download is coming in, and when it's finished, it'll be at the top of the list. So now you've downloaded your Zoom recording onto your iPad, and it'll sit in this downloads menu at the top of your Safari browser. The next step is you'll want to move that downloaded video file into your Google Drive. So to do that, you're going to tap on that video in the downloads menu there, and it'll open it up into this play screen. You can watch the video if you want to first before you move it into Drive. You want to make sure it's the right video and the video looks and sounds okay. But when you're ready to move it into Drive, the next step will be to tap on the little box and arrow share button up in the corner here. And you should have in this list of apps your Google Drive. If it's not there, you can always turn it on by going to More and then looking for Drive in this list of apps here. Okay, but it should be in this list. And so I'm going to choose Drive. From this screen, you'll see that you're going to put the video into your Iolani account, and you can select the folder. I recommend that you have a folder already created in your Drive where you plan to store all of your Zoom recordings. But I'm going to go and search for my folder. Okay, here's my folder called Zoom Recordings. And I'm going to choose to save here. So I'm going to tap on the Save Here button in the bottom there, the blue words. Okay, and I could choose to share it as well if I want to with certain people. I'm not going to do that now. And I'm going to choose the Upload button now. So I'm going to tap on the blue Upload in the top corner here. And now I have to wait for this video to process. Now while this is uploading, you don't want to do anything else on your iPad. Okay? And I highly recommend you don't let your iPad turn off automatically either. So keep the screen on, keep the upload screen here, and wait for the video to finish uploading into your Drive. Okay, once it finishes uploading to Drive, then that box will disappear, and now you're finished on the Zoom end. So once your video is in Drive, what you'll want to do is also change the shared permissions for that video so that your students can watch it when you're ready to share it with them. So I'm going to go into my Drive, and I'm going to go to that Zoom video that I just uploaded in my Zoom recordings folder. Okay, there it is. Okay, and so the video that you want to change the share permissions for, you want to do this for all of them eventually, but I'm going to tap on the three little dots next to that video, and I'm going to choose the link sharing option. So in the menu you see about four options down. There's an option called link sharing, and right now this video is off. I want to turn that on. So I'm going to tap that, and it'll say link sharing turned on and link copied. And what that does, just so you know, is it changes the share permissions of that video to anyone at Iolani School with the link will be able to watch that video. And now you're ready to share it with your students.